The Central Organization of Trade Unions has opposed the introduction and implementation of the Excise Duty Bill 2015. Now, the bill, which proposes an increase in excise duty and therefore an increase in the price of basic commodities, has attracted stern reactions from COTU, which is now accusing the government for failing to protect the rights of Kenyan workers. The organization has urged the government to stop the proposed increased excise tax and instead focus on retrieving money lost through corruption.
It's going to have an effect on the price of fuel, and you are aware that once the price of fuel goes, it has a far-reaching effect on the issue of cost of transportation to the place of work, cost of transportation when people go from places to place, from town to town, in the process of doing their normal duties as Kenyans. So you cannot keep taxing the Kenyan worker who is already heavily taxed. Today, Kenya is among the heaviest taxing country, I think, in the Africa, if not in the whole world. COTU is going to take the lead, and we are pleading with other people with like minds, like us, the parliamentarians, and everybody to stand and stop the government of Kenya from frustrating Kenyans through unnecessary taxation. This week, we shall call a COTU board. We shall call a COTU board to take a bigger stand, where we shall call all our general secretaries to take a stand on this, so that if the government don't listen to us, then we must be able to mobilize Kenyans so that we see the position that we need to take. Because Kenyans cannot keep suffering every year while the other people take the money that we collect